Now, open up your book and carefully listen to the text, The New Neighbors, on page number 20 and 21.
The New Neighbors. My name is Fatima and I live on Willow Tree Lane in Ottawa. Yesterday, new neighbors moved into the house next door. Mum made some food for them. We took it to their house. A lady opened the door. Mum, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hafsa. I live next door. Maryam. Wa alaikum assalam. My name is Maryam. Mom, I know you just moved in and I have brought some food for you. Maryam, that's so very nice of you. Would you like to come in? Mom, I would love to, but I am in a hurry. I can come later. I just wanted to know if you need any help. Maryam, that's very kind of you. Could you please tell me where the nearest shops are? Mum, sure, they are not very far. Would you like me to go with you? Maryam, that would be great. How about tomorrow? Mom, that's fine with me. We can go in the morning. Maryam, it was so nice meeting you. The morning sounds good to me. Thanks again for the food. Mom, you are welcome. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz. We went home. Mom was very pleased that our new neighbors were nice and friendly.
Okay, now let's come to the learning key. Look at the highlighted words in the text which are in red and blue. They are keywords and phrases. They are used when we meet or talk to someone. A keyword is a single word and key phrase is a group of two or more words. Both express a single idea. For example, it was so nice meeting you. There are more than two words, but it expresses a single idea. Now let's do an activity. Carry out a role play on the text above. Ask someone in your family for help.